everybody, I hope that all of you are so happy and also in a very good mood to watch this video. Yes? So in today's video, I choose to talk about grammar. Yeah? In the last three videos, I have talked about vocabulary. Today, I choose to talk about what? Grammar. Yes? So, as I said before, I'm still talking about the three important verbs in English. So I have talked about verb to do or to be in all forms and also in all tenses. Yes? And then I talked about verb to do in all tenses and also in all forms. And then I moved to talk about verb to have. So I talked about it in simple present all forms. And then I moved to talk about it in simple past in affirmative form. Yeah, today I'm going to explain to you about verb to have in simple past but in negative form. So are you ready? 1, 2, 3, let's go. So good evening again. The lesson of today is to have in simple past negative form. Yeah. So the first step, as I always tell you, the first step is to put what? The subject pronouns. Yeah, put the subject pronouns and then think about the verb. So classify them one by one. I, you, he, she, it, we, you, they. So you have to classify them first and then put the verb. But because we are going to talk about negative form, what we are going to do, so to add an auxiliary. This auxiliary is did. Yes, so you have to add the auxiliary did and then add not. Add not and then put the verb which is to have. To have, without to, of course. Yeah, what do we say? We say, I didn't have or I did not have. So they are the same. We say, I didn't or I did not. This is long form and this one short form. Is it clear? Yeah. So, you didn't or you did not have. Yes. He, she, it didn't have or did not have. We didn't have or did not have. You didn't have or did not have. And the last one, they didn't have or they did not have. Is it clear? So, just concentrate, be careful. I will repeat, but just make sure that your pronunciation is correct. Yeah. I didn't have. You didn't have. He, she, it didn't have. We didn't have. You didn't have. And the last one, they didn't have. Is it clear? And the form, don't forget the form. So the form, subject, plus did, plus not, plus have. This is the form or the structure. Yeah, to remember it. If you remember this rule, you will never forget about verb to have in simple past negative form. Is it clear? So I hope that this video is so interesting for you in order to improve your English. So thank you very much for your watching. Don't forget to subscribe in my channel and also like and put a comment in order to receive each day a new video. Thank you very much. Goodbye. See you later.